Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to disable animated emojis on Mastodon. So let's get started. As you may or may not know, they are mechanically enabled. So in order for you to disable them, you have to search for them in settings and turn it on or off depending on what you want to do. So first we're going to start off by going to our settings. That's located in the top right corner. As you can see, the third option we have is disable animated emojis. So they're mechanically enabled, built in. So I have to go on and turn that on. So now they are disabled. Now we just have to click done. That's located in our top right corner to lock in the changes. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.